Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we're going to be doing a Loveworld special. The nations belong to you, or government at Galaxies. We're going to be playing it in the key of F. Alright, so if you're a beginner and want to learn the piano, I have a free course for you, and free means free. I'm not taking any money for it, so you better grab it and learn it. Send me a link, a message. I'll send you the link. If you're on YouTube too, in the description box there is a link there. You can use it. It has been structured so it will take you from one lesson to the other. And if you are on Cflix, I've also posted some of the videos there, lesson 1, lesson 2, like that, and you can follow it and then learn and play for your church. So we're going to be doing the song. I'll teach you the progression. The nation belongs to you, government and galaxies. You are holy, holy God. So let's do what we just did. All right, so a 6 to a 7 and then to a 1 to a chord 4. Holy God, 6 and then to a 5. So the same chord I used for the 7 on the left is the same chord I used for the 5 on the right. So I'll listen to it. The nation belongs to you. You are holy, holy God. 6. 5 again. Then part. You are holy, righteous and worthy. You are sorry. So that part. You are holy, righteous and worthy. So it's a 6 to a 4. You are holy. Righteous and worthy. All right, so play this way. 6, holy, 5, righteous and worthy, 4, 3, you are worthy to be praised. You are holy. So let me see something. You are holy, righteous and worthy. Okay, so you can play it in two ways. Music are sounds, and whatever you use that sound for, if it makes meaning, is cool. So it could be closer to the progression, but still the same sound. It could be the same progression, but you shouldn't deviate much from it. So you can do it this way. You are holy, righteous and worthy. You are worthy to be praised. Now this is what we did. We did a 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Then the 3 we make it a major, and then to the 6. Now look at this one again. You are holy, righteous and worthy. You are worthy to be praised. Alright, so what we did is we did a 4. Holy. So instead of the 6, we did a 4 to 5, and then a 6. Then we moved to a 2. You are worthy to be praised. Now let's try something. You could do a 6 over the 4. You are holy. So 4 and 6 are relatives. So when it comes to substitution, you can play a 4 and then a 6 on the left. The same thing, you can play a 4 on the right and play a 6 on the left. So you are holy, righteous and worthy. You are worthy to be praised. So you can adopt any of them, but for a beginner, you could play the 6. Holy, righteous and worthy. Alright, so that is it for Government and Galaxies. A 6, 7, 1. You are holy, 6, holy God. The nation belongs to you. So thank you for watching and staying with me. God bless you, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.